I guess you are watching this video because you are interested in computer programming and algorithm development. We simply cannot discuss algorithm design and development without talking about mathematical notations. Especially when there is the need to share math-based documents on the World Wide Web. Scientists and researchers are often spread across multiple locations. They may be spread across continents or cities. One good technology that connects them will be the internet. Everything is shared on the World Wide Web. So, how can the scientists and researchers share resources that include mathematical notations? The answer would obviously be by using a markup language. Good. But which markup language will do the job? The best choice could be MathML. In this video, we will look at MathML. MathML is a unique markup language for representing or describing mathematical notation. There are lots of markup languages, such as HTML. Another one is XML, and the list is endless. Bear in mind that one good thing about markup languages is that they are usually domain-specific. So, if you want to represent text documents on the World Wide Web, you normally would use HTML. However, if you want to capture the structure and content of mathematical notations, you probably would not use HTML only. Unless you are one of the super talented programmers with a specialist talent at navigating and bending computer programs to behave exactly as you want. Now, back to the topic at hand. There is a better way of representing mathematical notations, that is, if you can lay your hand on MathML. Mathematical Markup Language, version 3.0 has about 38 tags you can work with, and there are lots of software that exist as MathML tool. We will be teaching with some of the open source or freely available versions. If you have a MathML software you want us to include our teaching resource, you are welcome to get in touch at editor@faithmediaplatform.com. Remember, together we can build a better algorithm as we prepare for the complete interconnection of digital devices. You may think that the interconnection of digital devices is a pie in the sky. Well, we cannot prove you wrong, but you can watch our video tutorial on Internet of Things to see what is happening over there. This is a Faith Media Platform educational resource production. Thank you for watching.